From completely worn out to looking brand new again, this is one of the most satisfying tractor restorations you'll ever see. Today, we're bringing back the powerful New Holland T-7 315 model tractor, step by step. Let's begin. At first glance, the tractor looks heavily used and covered in dirt, grease, and wear. Years of hard agricultural work have left their mark: faded paint, rust spots, and grime everywhere. But underneath all that, there's still a powerful machine waiting to be restored. We start by carefully disassembling the tractor. Large components like the wheels, panels, and engine parts are removed one by one. Each piece is handled with care to avoid further damage. This step is crucial to reach every hidden area. Now comes the deep cleaning process. High-pressure water and cleaning solutions are used to remove layers of dirt and grease. Watch closely as the original surface slowly starts to appear. This is where the transformation really begins. Next, we focus on removing rust and preparing the surface. Sanding tools and brushes are used to eliminate corrosion. Every inch is carefully cleaned to ensure a smooth finish for the next stage. Patience is key here. Damaged parts are now repaired or replaced. Mechanical components are checked and restored to working condition. Loose or worn-out pieces are tightened and fixed. The tractor is slowly coming back to life.
Now for the most satisfying part: painting. A fresh coat of iconic New Holland blue is applied evenly across the body. The color instantly transforms the tractor's appearance. It's starting to look brand new again. Once everything is dry and ready, we begin reassembling the tractor. Each part is carefully put back into place. From the engine to the exterior panels, everything fits together perfectly. And here it is, fully restored. From dirty and worn out to clean, powerful, and like new. This is the beauty of restoration, bringing machines back to life. If you enjoyed this satisfying transformation, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more amazing restorations.